इट इज दैट इज वाटर स्टरलाइजेशन मीन्स कि देखो क्या होता है व्हेन वी सी वाटर इट कम्स विद अ लॉट ऑफ जर्म्स एक्सेट्रा, सो वी नीड टू प्योरीफाई इट, अदरवाइज जो जर्म्स और बैक्टीरियाज है दे कैन हार्म अस। आपको तो पता ही है टाइफाइड खुले पानी की वजह से होता है, बिकॉज उस पर फलाना ढिमकाना काइंड ऑफ यू नो बैक्टीरियाज काम, और वट एवर स्टेफिलोकोकस ऑरियस एक बैक्टीरिया जो फेस पे आता है, वैसे ही हमारे पास साल्मोनेला टाइफी नाम का बैक्टीरिया है जो बेसिकली टाइफॉइड के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, विच ग्रोज इन द ओपन वाटर, राइट। सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज द रिक्वायरमेंट कि वाटर स्टरलाइजेशन हम इसलिए करते हैं सो दैट देयर इज नो अदर बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट इन दैट विच विल हार्म टू अ ह्यूमन बीइंग। सो वाटर स्टरलाइजेशन हम कर सकते हैं क्लोरीन ऐड करके। सो बेसिकली इन आवर प्लेस वी हैव सीन कि मोस्टली वाटर का स्कार्सिटी हो जाता है, तो म्यूनसिपालिटी से पानी नहीं आता है। सो व्हाट वी डू, वी आस्क फॉर अ टैंकर, दैट टैंकर इज फिल्ड फ्रॉम अ रिवर विच इज बेसिकली हैव गॉन डैमेज्ड कम्प्लीटली बिकॉज ऑफ द ह्यूमन इंटरफेरेंस। सो ह्यूमन इंटरफेरेंस की वजह से जो उसमें डैमेज हुआ है, तो ऑब्वियस है वाटर इज नॉट क्लीन, सो that water comes in tanker, and that tanker basically is filled into our vessels or the tanks which we have kept in the homes, right, which we have fitted in our home, right, and when these come, सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड कि ये ऑब्वियसली बहुत ही गंदे होते हैं पानी, इसमें जर्म्स हो सकते हैं, घरों में छोटे बच्चे बूढ़े होते हैं जिनको ये इजीली, क्योंकि इम्यूनिटी वीक होती है इनकी, तो इजीली ये जर्म्स अटैक कर सकते हैं, दे कैन फॉल इल, लाइक उनको फूड इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है एक्सेट्रा, टाइफाइड हो सकता है एंड सो ऑन। सो ऐसे में हम क्या करते हैं, वी गेट मेडिकल स्टोर में एक क्लोरीन की गोलियों का आता है, मतलब एकदम छोटे छोटे आपके जो सरसों मस्टर्ड के जो दाने होते हैं ना, वैसे ब्लैक कलर के दाने होते हैं क्लोरीन के। सो दैट क्लोरीन वी गेट इन अ पैकेट इन नियर बाय द मेडिकल स्टोर, एंड दैट वी ऐड टू सच वाटर सो दैट वाटर गेट्स स्टरलाइज। तो यहाँ पे स्टरलाइजेशन इज नॉट द क्लीनिंग, it is killing of the germs present in the water. I hope it is clear to you. So that is how chlorine can be useful for us, but if we add extra or large amount of chlorine, it may be harmful also. Now this chlorine is also used in the manufacture of, it is also used in the manufacture of chlorofluorocarbon अच्छा, very important compound which is basically made out of this chlorine is your PVC. You might have studied in the 8th standard itself about the use of PVC, right, polyvinyl chloride. So it is also formed by the help of this chlorine only, ठीक है। So these are the very very important compounds, that is the chlorofluorocarbon and PVC, right। Then there are other compounds, there are very important other compounds, that is your hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is also formed with the help of this chlorine gas only, that is H2. When reacts with chlorine gas, it forms HCl, right। Then along with this hydrochloric acid, a very very important compound which is formed out of this chlorine gas is your bleaching powder. So you might be aware of this bleaching powder. See, when in the rainy season, basically अभी तो रेनिंग सीजन आ भी गया है, हमारे यहाँ तो बारिश हो रही है काफ़ी। सो इन द रेनी सीजन यू माइट हैव सीन कि बाहर वो मराठी में अगर आप बोलेंगे तो शेवाड़, और हिंदी में बोलेंगे तो काई, ठीक है, वो लग जाती है ग्रीन कलर का, दैट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ algae एंड फंगाई, राइट, which due to which basically slippery हो जाता है the places, right। So when we keep like without taking extra care, we directly slip into it and अच्छे से गिर जाते हैं, मैं तो गिरी हूँ कई बार। So basically वो जो algae और फंगस का जो कॉम्बिनेशन वहाँ आता है, जिसको लाइकेंस भी आप कह सकते हो, that to just remove that we use bleaching powder, This is somewhere around light pitch in color, very light pitch in color. And when we just add to the places where these lichens have grown, what will happen? See, they are also organism. So what will happen? ये bleaching powder में से chlorine gas is released, and we know the bactericidal property of the chlorine gas. So what will happen? This bleaching powder will automatically release chlorine gas, and this chlorine gas will just kill the lichens present on the surfaces, right, or the grounds wherever the lichen have grown. So उससे क्या होगा कि वो शैवाल, काई या lichens will be completely removed, dry होके वो निकल जाते हैं, ठीक है. So in that way these are the uses of chlorine gas, which is actually important as per the compound is considered, right. So we'll move to the next and very important compound, that is your hydrogen gas. Now the uses of hydrogen. So the third compound which is very important is your hydrogen. Uses of hydrogen gas or H2. See, the very important thing about H2 is the compound which was already seen, that is, it is used in the manufacture of of your hydrochloric acid, ठीक है. So basic or the very first and the most important use is the manufacture में use होता है, that is hydrochloric acid के. Second is the that it is also used in hydrogenation of, see basically what is hydrogenation, I'll let you know with the help of a reaction. So it is used in the hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbons. I hope it is visible till the last word, right. So basically it is used in the your hydrogenation reaction of your unsaturated hydrocarbons. So let's understand what is an unsaturated hydrocarbons. Firstly, what is an hydrocarbon? A compound which is made up of hydrogen and carbon is known as hydrocarbons, ठीक है. एंड देन आफ्टर कि ये अनसैचुरेटेड का मतलब क्या है, तो बेसिकली व्हेन द कार्बन ऑफ द अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन इज अटैच्ड विद अ डबल और अ ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ कंपाउंड in this type of hydrocarbon in which the two carbons are attached either with the help of double or with the help of triple bond, then it is termed as unsaturated hydrocarbon. So in this unsaturated hydrocarbon, only one bond is the strong bond and rest of the bonds are the weak bonds. So these weak bonds can be broken down easily with help of a small amount of energy, and after breaking it we can add hydrogen atoms to those bonds. For example, if I talk about this, then what happens कि कार्बन का एक बॉन्ड ब्रेक हुआ तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है एक वैकेंसी यहाँ एक वैकेंसी यहाँ, सो बोथ प्लेसेस में वन हाइड्रोजन कैन बी एडेड, राइट. सो यहाँ भी एक हाइड्रोजन, यहाँ भी एक हाइड्रोजन. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज नोन एज हाइड्रोजनेशन. सो इन डेप्थ इसको हम स्टडी करेंगे आई थिंक इनटू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. नो, नॉट इन द next chapter is your metals, non-metals, and after that there is a carbon and its compound. In that we will be studying it in depth. Clear hai? So what is an unsaturated hydrocarbon? The hydrocarbon which contains double or triple bond between the two carbon atoms, and when the weak bond of the out of these bonds will be broken and added with the hydrogen atom, then the reaction is termed as hydrogenation. So for hydrogenation also hydrogen gas is required, that is H2 gas is required. So other important use, that is the second important use of hydrogen gas, is the hydrogenation of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now the third use of it, that is third use of hydrogen gas is it is basically used in manufacture of methanol. See, methanol is a very important compound and which we'll be studying in again carbon and its compound. Okay. So in the manufacture of methanol, then along with methanol, what other things which can be made out of it is ammonia, NH3. You all know ammonia is again an important compound which has to be studied, right? So in the manufacture of methanol, then ammonia, then oxyhydrogen flames, these all are we are going to be studied, or we are going to study these all things in the 4th chapter itself. Okay, oxyhydrogen flame, along with it the hydrogen flame or hydrogen fuel flame, you can say hydrogen fuel flame. You all know there are many spacecrafts, okay, where it is used. For example, your missiles, as an ignition temperature, it provides proper temperature, right? So this is a fuel, right, in that case. So these all things can be made out of this hydrogen gas. So I hope this is very, very clear to you. Now very important use, one of the very important use is that it acts as a very good reducing agent. So what is a reducing agent? The agent or the chemical which reduces the other compound and itself gets oxidized. और reduction कब होता है? जब addition of hydrogen होता है. So hydrogen gas itself can be added, ठीक है, to a compound so that that compound gets reduced. So therefore it also acts as a very good reducing agent. I hope this is clear to you. I think in all the 3 compounds we have seen 4 uses at least, right? Since these 3 compounds, all these 3 compounds are very important, which comes out of the chloralkali process. That is why we have taken a complete session to discuss the uses of these compounds, and I hope this is very, very clear to you. Now with this I would like to wind up the session. If you have any doubt, please ask me anytime. So till then, or we'll meet in the next session. Till then, bye bye.